Yo, what is good people? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rom. If it's your first time here, I drop sneaker content like this at least once per week. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at my sneaker essentials. These are what I use to keep my sneakers fresh and clean. So as you know, if you're a regular viewer to the channel, I own a lot of sneakers. I have Dunks, Jordan 1s, I have Yeezys, I have a lot, but either I'm holding them for storage purposes or I'm holding them for investments. The most common thing is I need to keep these sneakers fresh and clean. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to run through my essentials to keep my sneakers fresh and clean, and I'm going to give you my reasons why I use the products I use as well. But before we get started, as always, if you haven't already, please remember, hit the subscribe button below, hit the bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Let's get straight into the video. So the first item we're going to take a look at is definitely an essential for me, and it's a crease protector, and I need this for every single shoe I buy, especially my Jordans and my Dunks. Because of the material, this is absolutely essential because they crease up very easily. Like literally after one wear of you wearing a pair of sneakers like a Jordan, they will crease instantly. So this is definitely essential. As you know, there's quite a few of these on the market, but for me, I've tested pretty much all of them and they all do the same thing. They are not very comfortable, but they are effective at doing what they do. But for me, this for all-round performance, all-round comfort and effectiveness is the best, and I'm going to demonstrate this in the next video. But this is a very good product. I picked this up from Amazon, $6.99, and I'll leave a link to it in the description as well. So if you want to go check it out, that will be in the description. But for me, there's a lot of them on the market, but this is definitely the best one that I use. And I use this for every one of my Jordans, all my Dunks. I put them in there because they crease so easily, and this prevents all creasing from your sneakers. So that's the first essential, the Crease Protect, and I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go check that out. So my next essential, my sneaker display box, and I have quite a few of these. If you're a sneakerhead or a sneaker collector, you definitely need these. But in the UK, they seem to be very expensive. Not sure why, but I definitely need these for displaying the shoe. I really like these ones. I got them from Amazon, and they are perfect for what I want them to do. As you can see, it is transparent. You get a nice door there, and they provide good ventilation for your shoe as well with the back of it, with the air. As you know, if you're going to store a shoe like this, it needs to have good air going through there, and it kind of protects the shoes from any dust as well. So that is very essential for this box here. So I get these from Amazon, as I said before, and they are good value for money in my opinion. You get them flat packed, you build them up, and it's a very simple process. And these are called the Song Mike shoe display box. They're 8 for £31, and in my eyes, they are great value for money compared to the other ones on the market. If you go to Size or any of these big retailers, they do sell these boxes for like £10–15 per one box, whereas this one you get 8 for £30, which is great value for money. Don't get me wrong, you do get better quality with those boxes, but for what I want them to do, this is very simple and very effective for what I want them to do. So this is why I go with this box instead of the more expensive ones, because they pretty much do the same thing. All the other ones, they just look more fancy. So my next essential for keeping my shoe fresh is having a good shoe protector and a good shoe cleaner. If you're a sneakerhead and you want your sneakers to last a little bit longer, there's several things you need to do. But for me, the main thing is you need to have a good shoe cleaning kit with a good shoe cleaner, and you need to have a good shoe protector. And for me, nothing on the market comes close to these products from DFNS. They are sustainable, they do not harm the environment in any way, and they are extremely good at what they do. I've used these products so many times, I've done videos on them, and I can tell you now, I vouch for these products because I actually use them. They work extremely well. When it comes to this shoe protector, I have used this on my shoe, and I poured wine, ketchup on the shoe, and it just washed right off. As you know, I am into fitness a lot, so I go for runs all the time. When I go for my runs, I do wear my Yeezy 350s, and those are mostly cloth based, so they get dirty quite a lot, they get very muddy. But when you use the shoe cleaning kit, it makes the shoe cleaning process so much easier, because you just rub it on there, you wash it all off, and it's absolutely perfect. It works so well. So this is definitely something I recommend because I use it. And as I said before, I definitely recommend their products because they are a sustainable company. They do not harm the environment in any way, which is very important to me. And they do provide quite a few other products as well. So they have the shoe cleaning wipes, they have a spot cleaner, and one of the things that is very essential for me as well is the shoe refresher. So if you get a shoe that you've had for a very long time, you can spray this in there and it makes the shoe smell fresh. It has a very nice citrus smell as well, which I think is very, very nice. So this is definitely something I use, and this is something I vouch for. I recommend this product because it's a very, very good product as well. So that is my next essential, the DFNS range of products. They provide shoe cleaning kits, and they also provide shoe protectors among a lot of other things as well. So I'll leave a link in the description to their website. You can go check them out. So let's get on to my honorable mentions for my sneaker essential, which is the shrink wrap. And I use these for storing most of my sneakers. For anything I'm going to store short term, I use these. I wouldn't recommend using a shrink wrap on a shoe over a longer period of time, because anything more than a year, they might break up. The soles and midsoles might break up, because shoe definitely need air. So any shoe that I'm holding as investment or for the summer months to wear, I put them in shrink wrap, and I get this from Amazon, and it's a very, very simple process. You literally just put the shoe in the bag, and this is what they look like. You open it up, you put the shoe in the bag, you get a heat gun, or you can use a hairdryer, which is what I use, and you literally just put it all over the shoe and you're good to go. It will then come out like this, and it's good for storing shoes, which is what I do with any of my shoes that I'm going to be investing in or I am holding until the summer months before I wear them. This definitely keeps the shoe clean, keeps them dead stock, and it definitely keeps away any dust from the shoe as well. So this is definitely a honorable mention as a sneaker essential, the shrink wrap. So those are my essentials. I've left a link in the description to each one if you want to go check them out. And that is it for the video today. As you got this far, please remember, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. And hit me in the comments and let me know what you use to keep your sneakers fresh and clean. I'm interested to know what other people do, what their methods are. Peace.